Hello, my fellow mathletes, and welcome back. We're on question number 15 of the 2006 Gauss paper. That's the grade 7 Gauss. Harry charges $4 to babysit for the first hour. For each additional hour, he charges 50% more than he did the previous hour. How much money in total would Harry earn for 4 hours of babysitting? Okay. So, there's only 4 hours of babysitting, so it's probably easiest just to figure out, okay, he charges 4 for the first hour, how much does he charge for the next hour, and then the fourth hour, and add those all up. Okay? That's likely the easiest way to go about this question, so that's going to be our approach. So, his first hour, he charges $4. Okay? And then we'll get second hour, and then at the end we'll add it all up. Well, how much money does he charge the second hour? And it's 50% more than the last hour he charged. So in order to figure out the third hour, we do need to know what he charged for the second hour. Now, 50% more, you can either figure out 50% of 4 is 2 and then add that on, or you can make the connection that 50% more is the same as multiplying by 1.5. Okay, well, I'm not going to get into this a whole lot. I've done it in other videos, and I'd rather just get the answers right now. But 50% more, there's a nice connection between n% more and multiplying by 1 plus n% over 100% is basically the connection. So if I want to know how much he charges for the second hour, I could figure out 50% and then add that on, or I could just multiply 4 by 1.5. And if you need to, grab a calculator. But you're going to get $6. And then we can go from second hour to third hour, because it's the same process, 50% more, multiplied by 1.5. And you'll get $9. Of course, 1.5 also 3 over 2 if you'd prefer to work with fractions. 6 times 3 is 18, divided by 2 is 9. Then multiply 9 by 1.5. Okay, and this is one where it might be a little harder, but you're going to get 1350, or 13.5. And you can see that a number of ways. Multiply 9 by 15 and move the decimal place over. You could actually figure out the 50% is 4.5. 9 plus 4.5 is 13.5. However you want to do it. But that gets us all the money he charges per each hour. And you'll notice that here D is 13.5. So if you misread it and said how much money would he get on the fourth hour of babysitting, you might bubble in D, and that would not be correct. Now all that we need to do is add up each of these 4 hours. So 4 and 6 is 10. Add that to 9, that's 19. And then the 50, there's nothing else to pair up with the 50. And so then it's 19 plus 13. Well, the two 10s will be 20, and then 9 plus 3 is 12. So 2 carry the 1, we get 3250. So Harry earns 3250, and that is C. Okay. So there we go. That's question number 15, and we're halfway through B part now. The questions are going to get a little harder. I find that the last 3 questions in B can be a little challenging, 18, 19, and 20. That's true not just of the Gausses, but of Pascal, Cayley, and Fermat, the harder upper year contests as well. But we turn our eye to question number 16, because that's what we're going to tackle in the next video. Thanks for watching.